There are ads out there that promise so much, you gotta wonder what's the catch.
Tonight, consumer reporter John Matarese is here to tell you about potential traps so you don't waste your money. John?
Well, Clyde, if you look at store ads, it seems that almost everyone is offering something free or at a huge markdown. But, many times it's just a gimmick. Here's what you need to watch out for so you don't fall for an ad trap. Patricia Coyle is frustrated and a victim of our first ad trap.
Obviously, there's something wrong with this window.
The trap is not the problems with her windows. It's the so-called lifetime warranty behind the windows. The Ohio woman and her husband bought these windows several years ago with an exclusive 5-star lifetime warranty. But business experts say it's essential to read the fine print and know the details of that warranty.
Ask a simple question: whose lifetime? Is it the product's lifetime? Is it my lifetime?
So ad trap number 1, the lifetime warranty. Patricia's window company is now out of business, her warranty worthless. Ad trap number 2, going out of business sales. Joe DeGeartis is Joe the coupon guy who has a shopping blog. He was at one of these sales once.
And I peel back the stickers and I see that they actually had a lower price before they over-stickered, the new price on it.
He says liquidators will come in, raise the prices, then advertise a big going out of business sale. Trap number 3 is buy one, get one free. Even buy one, get 2 free. Some shoppers wonder what's going on.
They just mark up the price or they get you somehow. I don't believe in the free. That's not true.
Also beware trap number 4. We will not be undersold. Stores promise price matching, but many times they won't match online deals. Plus, there are times the matching item has to be the exact same number. For instance, one store will have a TV that's model 123A. The same exact set in another store is model 123B.
When you go to price match it, they say, oh, we can't price match it. It's a different model, even though physically it's the same item.
Trap number 5, satisfaction guaranteed. Dr. Greneau says check the fine print because you might not get your money back, maybe a store credit or something else.
Unless they specifically say, look, we'll take back everything for any reason at any time, assume that they don't.
Finally, Consumer Reports cautions you to beware free bonus items, which is ad trap number 6. Often you have to pay a lot to get a $5 freebie you don't really need. And then you throw it out a week later. Not all of these ad lines are out to get you. There are some buy one, get one deals that are great, or satisfaction guarantees that really do work, are perfectly legitimate. But know the exact terms surrounding any of them. If you've had a bad experience with an ad for Tri-State Store, let me know on my Facebook page. That way you don't waste your money. Clyde Carroll?
All right, thank you, John.